Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welding is a dying art. And today, my friends, in collaboration with Uniter, I am going to share a true story with you of my batchmate, my very close friend Pankaj Thakur, who today is a technical superintendent placed in Hong Kong. But back then, he was an engine cadet who had done his welding course very sincerely, which changed the course of his life. So let me share this true story with you. So year is 2007. Pankaj Thakur is sailing on an oil tanker. The ship is old. They are about to reach port, and while carrying out the discharging operations simulations, trying out the machinery, they realize that the IG blower is not developing pressure. And on getting deep into details, they found out that the keyway in the IG blower was slipping. And now the blower was not running at the required RPM, it was slipping, and that was the reason that the pressure was not being developed. Simple procedure would have been, not simple, but a tedious one would have been, okay, fine, take out the blower, take out the shaft, do the welding, develop the keyway, and let's just fix it back and develop the pressure. But there was a problem. And the problem was that the fitter on board ship had been signed off just a week back without any reliever on medical grounds. The chief engineer is in a dilemma. The discharging operations have to be started, otherwise owners are going to lose thousands of dollars. And who is going to do the welding? So all the engineers, all the crew members ratings are standing, and he asked everyone, can you do welding? Can you do welding? Is anyone confident? And nobody could say confidently that I can do welding. Unfortunately, at that time, engine cadet, our own Pankaj Thakur, was not there in engine room. So casually, electrical officer who was that time in the meeting asked him, we are facing this problem. Do you know welding? And Pankaj Thakur said, yes, I know welding. I can do. First of all, electrical officer did not believe him, but still, he took him to chief engineer, and chief engineer asked him, can you do welding? Yes, sir, was the reply. I can do welding, sir. But how can you do welding? Sir, I have done a course on welding during my college days, and I am very sure I can do welding. This was his reply. So chief engineer asked him, that welding course I have also done. Young Pankaj Thakur telling chief engineer, but sir, I have done it sincerely and confidently. That confident reply coming from Pankaj Thakur gave a small glimpse of hope to the chief engineer that maybe something can be achieved, maybe a miracle can happen. So he told, okay, show me your welding skills. He gave him a test plate and told him to do a few welding runs. Pankaj Thakur did that confidently. Well, that was the time. So the IG blower shaft was taken out, welding was carried out by our own Pankaj Thakur, then machining was carried out. Guess what? Just 1 mm difference was there as per the manufacturer's recommendation. It was a wow moment for everybody in the engine room. The shaft was fitted back, the IG blower was fitted back, tried out, the blower was building pressure, cargo discharging was carried out on time. Owners saved thousands of dollars. Well, many of you might ask, what did the junior engineer get in return, right? Well, first thing that he got was he got respect on board ship. Not just from the chief engineer, second engineer, third engineer, fourth engineer, and the oilers out there. I guess they must have been in admiration and in awe for this engine cadet who did this wonderful job. But apart from that, the same news would have been carried to the galley, to the captain, to the chief officer, everybody on board ship, maybe to the shipping company as well. And I guess not just admiration, not just wow factor was that something that Pankaj Thakur earned. He earned one more important lesson, and that was any training, if invested on, any training, if carried out well, sincerely and seriously, can turn into a jackpot, can turn into an opportunity which can turn around your life. Today, Pankaj Thakur had this achievement, had this milestone, which is still remembered very distinctly and clearly. And it gave him a life lesson that no matter what, I will invest on training. No matter what, I will do every training that is being done by me very sincerely, because I do not know which training, which part will come in use and will become an opportunity for me. Welding can be seen as a dying art today, but it's a skill that each of us need to master so that we can become an indispensable part on ship and earn respect on ship. Please do not go without watching till the end, because in the end, you will see a message, a short message coming from Pankaj Thakur himself. Last but not the least, if after watching this video you have really got inspired that this journey really is amazing and you need to learn this welding skill as well, so what are you waiting for? Uniter has got some amazing schools across the world for all the seafarers, and a special school in India as well, which is in Mumbai by the name of IMTC. The link is in the description box. Go ahead, invest on yourself, learn, grow ahead in life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.
Hi friends, this is Pankaj Thakur and I am a technical superintendent working from Hong Kong. This is my story and it is very amazing and surprising that Praneeth remembered this story even after 17 long years. Friends, it is good to have different skills, and one of those skills is the welding skill, which is very important. I will briefly explain regarding the welding skill and welding knowledge and how welding skill will help you to attain a good welding knowledge at the later stages. Welding skill means how you perform a welding correctly. If you perform a welding on board, it will help to motivate other crew members. It will help to make a very good team on board. In case if the long weldings are going on, then you can help to relieve some of the stress from the fitter. And in case if the fitter is not present on board, then you can do the welding and save in the urgent situations. So if you have performed a welding with your hand at this stage, learning stage, it will help to attain a very good welding knowledge at the later stages. Please take your trainings very seriously, keep on refreshing them, and I wish all the very best to the seafarers who get motivated with my story. Thank you.